This is Mahmoud Khalil, who is a permanent legal resident of the United States, who Supreme Leader Trump is trying to have illegally deported. Mr. Khalil is also married to an American citizen who happens to be 8 months pregnant. On Saturday night, ICE agents went to his apartment, they knocked on his door, and they said that they were going to revoke his student visa. The problem is, he doesn't have a student visa, he has a green card, which makes him a legal citizen of the United States. When the ICE agents heard that he had a green card, they conferred for a couple minutes, went back to the door, and said, we didn't mean student visa, we meant green card, we're going to revoke your green card, which is illegal. He has not been charged with any crime. There was no evidence presented that says he committed any crimes. He has not spoken to his lawyers since he was pulled from his house on Saturday night. It's now Thursday. He has not spoken to his lawyers yet because Supreme Leader Trump, dictator, fascist Trump, will not let him speak to his lawyer. Now you may be thinking to himself, why is Mr. Khalil a target of Supreme Leader, fascist dictator Trump? Well, let me tell you. Mr. Khalil is part of the pro-Palestinian protest up at Columbia University in New York last summer. Okay, he was sort of like the face of it and the voice of it. Whether you agree with pro-Palestine protesters or not, the fact remains he did not break any laws. He was never arrested for anything. He is protected under the First Amendment of the United States. He can protest whatever he wants as long as he doesn't commit any crimes. And guess what? Thus far, he has not committed any crimes or been arrested. He is being illegally detained, and Supreme Leader Trump is trying to throw him out of the country just because he doesn't agree with his views and thoughts. Trump is using this man as an example to scare the rest of America to not protest anymore. Because if you protest, you might get thrown out of the country, thrown in jail, or God knows what else. This is what dictators do. This is not the United States of America. Whether you voted for Trump or not, if you are a true American, this should piss you off. This man is a legal resident of the United States. He has not committed any crimes. He has never been put in jail for anything. Here's a statement from White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt. Khalil should be deported because he organized protests that not only disrupted college campus classes and harassed Jewish American students and made them feel unsafe on their own college campus, but also distributed pro-Hamas propaganda. You know, we let the KKK protest whenever they want. You know, they make me feel uncomfortable, but you're not arresting them, are you? You're not deporting them, are you? You're letting the KKK protest wherever you want. That's way worse than what this gentleman did. What I'm about to show you are protesters from a group called Jewish Voice for Peace. They are protesting the release of this man inside Trump Tower in New York earlier today. Watch this. Good job, you guys. Good job. You need this energy. This is the kind of energy we need in the United States right now to fight this sort of fascism and this dictatorship that Trump wants to implement in the U.S. I'm going to go protest a Tesla dealership in my hometown this weekend. Catch me there. Those of you who know me know where I'm going to be. Come protest with me. We're going to do it. We're going to have some fun. We're going to protest. We're going to be loud, and we're going to make our voices be heard. Be loud. Supreme Leader Trump wants to punish anybody who thinks differently than him. And if he doesn't like the kind of protest you're doing, he's going to throw you in jail. This is how it starts right here. This is fascism. This is what happened in 1930s Germany. This is the start of it.